Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode in your YouTube studio. Basically, we YouTubers do work on night and record YouTube videos or publish videos at night. So if we have the YouTube studio dark mode, then this is very beneficial, and YouTube has already introduced this feature, and now we can enable dark mode and also light mode in YouTube studio. And this is very simple. We just need to go to our PC and let me show you how we can do this. So here you can see on my screen that this is our YouTube studio. From here you need to click on your profile icon or account icon in the right side. You can see here on the top right top. So once you click on this, there will be a new option that said the appearance or device theme. So here we can just click, and here we have three options. One is the device theme, another one is dark theme, and another is light theme. So if you select the use device theme, that means which color your PC is using. If your PC have set in dark mode, then it will automatically convert into dark mode. This is very useful. But if you don't use your PC in dark mode, but if you still want to use the studio in dark mode, then you can just switch to the dark theme. So I just click on this dark theme. That's it. Now you can see our YouTube studio have successfully converted into dark mode. So this is very useful. I hope you now, when you work on night, this will be very useful for your eyes, and easily we can do everything and every work. Before we can also do this, but that was not so effective because there are some other option for this, but this is very easy. Now YouTube have enabled this option in YouTube studio. So I hope you like the video, and if you learned something new, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button. I will see you guys on the next video.